Today we are replacing this gas furnace. So this gas furnace have some problem, so it needs to be replaced. This is Linus. So I'm going to walk you through on step procedures in replacing the gas furnace. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to do is to remove this plano from the gas furnace itself. But we're going to have to strap this plano to this joist. Two strap is okay. It's just to guide it. We don't want the plano falling down once the furnace is removed. So you want to make sure you strap it with hanger, hang it to the joist. Two should be okay. And then we'll take short of the gas valve here, disconnect electrical, and then also disconnect the low voltage. So, and then cut off this supply and return to the venting. Thank you. Okay, so the gas is taken off here. I'm going to disconnect this gas line. Here's my electrical. So I'm going to have to disconnect. The electrical is turned off, so I'm going to disconnect this and take this out. And also, very importantly, the low voltage. Okay, this is how it is for now. So I'm going to be very careful. I don't want to waste time trying to reconnect the old one. So I'm going to take a picture and rewire it to the new unit when it comes back on, after installation. So I just want it okay. So something I want to point out here, I have couple white wire. Here's one white, I have black. So I want to label it. You see, it's good to label it so that when you are reconnecting the new unit, you don't have to have wasting time trying to figure it out. So it's better you label it now while you are taking the old one away. It will be easier for you to reconnect. So I have another wire again here. So I'm going to label it and say, oh, for example, this is my Y1. This is dehumidification. Here is my fan, my R, and here's different. I'm going to have to label it, so I just want to let you know. Okay, so all the wiring are taken off and properly labeled. The gas line is off, water line is off. This is detached, so we're just going to pull this forward. This is also out from the return plano. As you can see the return plano is taken out. So, and again, this is hooked up. We strap it, so we don't want it to kind of move around or fall apart. So we're just going to have to slide this guy out, and we are done. Okay, you can see it's slide off completely now. The furnace, the gas furnace is slide off. Here's the old one. So we're going to just use trolley and move it out of the basement. Okay, and then we'll clean this place and then bring in the new one so you can see. Thank you. Okay, so here's my new gas furnace in a box. Just want to show it to you. Let's go. You see, out of the box. Okay, so this is Weather King furnace, a brand of Rheem. A brand of Rheem gas furnace. Okay, so here I have my return coming from this side, which I have cut, and I have put in my air filter rack in here. So I'm going to cover this bottom part, so because my return is coming from this side here. Okay, so all of this is all put in properly. Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, so as you can see, the unit is on the floor and the plenum is installed to the unit. So what is next? We'll be hooking up my vent pipe. This one goes to the supply here, and this will go to my return. So, and after that, we'll hook up the electrical and low voltage wiring. So let's keep watching, and you see how we're going to conclude it. Thank you. Okay, so again, my low voltage wiring is all connected. Okay, and my electrical is also connected, and my gas line is also connected. So the next thing is for me to fire the unit. My drain is all hooked up, so I'm going to fire the unit, and then we'll see. Thank you. Okay, so I'm giving it a start on the heating, and after that I'm going to try my air conditioning, so my vent motor kick in. So I'm waiting for my spark to come up. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's it. Spark, and that's my flame. That's my flame. So I got a flame. So I'm gonna start doing other test my pressure, make sure everything is okay, and then also test temperature, see if it's okay, and I'm gonna correspond it with the manufacturer nameplate. So please subscribe to HVAC Mechanical System. Thank you.